Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Edge 70 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar and tap on the settings icon. Then let's tap on languages and here tap on add keyboard. So as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So you can either scroll and look for your language or tap on search language and enter the name of the language which you'd like to apply. After finding, simply tap on it. Now you can choose the keyboard layout, so just mark the option and tap on done. And as you can see, right now we've got two languages added, so English and Urdu in my case. I believe Urdu. Alright, so before I'll show you how to remove the previous language, I'd like to show you how to use the keyboard with two or more languages added. So let me go back to the keyboard, and here we've got two differences. The first one is the globe icon, and here we've got the information. So thanks to this language key, we can change the keyboard layout. Another thing is the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. So here we've got English, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can switch to the Urdu or Saraiki one, I believe, to the Arabic one. Alright, so to remove the language, simply open the settings again, tap on the languages, and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Mark the language which you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.